Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the lock screen section. You'll see here the always on display switcher. Just to activate this option, click here to the switcher, then tap to this AOD section, and here we can switch the shown just option on the lock screen of the AOD option. So we can show it by tap on to show it always as a shadow, so set the start and the end time, and to show it only for new notifications. For example, let's show it always, so let's just lock the device and we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.